How to make money with Canva. So if you want to actually go ahead and learn how you're going to make money with Canva, you're going to need to, choose a niche first of all. So Canva is used to design a lot of things. So the best three things that I can tell you to design, first of all, NFTs, secondly, t-shirt designs, and thirdly, you can actually make a lot of great digital stuff like digital planners, graphic designing, all these digital things. So I'm going to give you all three examples. So here I have a t-shirt design. Okay, here I have a design of a daily planner or a digital planner. And the third one, you can make advertisements or websites for people. So, you can obviously make NFTs as well. But let's say I've made this advertisement. So I'm going to open these up. So look at this. This is obviously a t-shirt design that if we are to place over a t-shirt, it will look absolutely incredible. It will look absolutely out of this world. So, this gives you a good idea of how you're going to create t-shirt designs. And then you can actually use some external software like Printify or Printful to print this on t-shirts and sell it to people. That gets you good money. That's one way. The other way is to create digital planners. Like, look at this. This one I've created. Looks pretty nice, right? So you can actually sell this on marketplaces like Etsy, where people are ready to give you $10 to $20 for one digital planner. How incredible is that? So this is another thing that you can create. Then finally, the last thing is, creating posters for people. People actually hire people off from Canva and, Fiverr and places like that to create them posters and all. So you can actually become a poster creator for other people, and it's going to help you a lot. So yeah, that's how you can make money with Canva. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.